hand to the outside of the right foot. And then bring the left hand to the outside of the left foot, happy baby. Now here, I like a really unstructured happy baby. I like to rock from left to right. Try to draw the thighs in toward the body. Separate the knees as much as you need to, as much as it feels good. Flex the toes, soles of the feet up to the sky. Shoulders relaxed. Chin moving away from the chest. Breathe here. This is a happy baby that is inside of you. You are still this baby. The baby that is sensitive, the baby that wants to cry, that being is still inside of you. When you're ready, drop the right foot down to the ground. Got your left hand still on the left foot. And then if you want, you keep the left hand on the left foot. You interlace the fingers behind the back of the thigh,